Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ganesha with clay. First, gather your materials. Natural, eco-friendly clay, a small bowl of water, and simple sculpting tools like a butter knife or toothpick. Make sure your workspace is clean and covered with newspaper or a mat. This helps with easy cleanup later. Also, prepare a sturdy, flat base where your Ganesha idol will stand. Now, let's start sculpting. Take a generous amount of clay and roll it into a large ball for the base, then flatten it slightly. Next, form a smaller, thick cylinder for Ganesha's torso and carefully attach it to the center of the base. Gently press and smooth the joining points with a little water to ensure a strong connection. This prevents any cracks from forming as your idol dries. Moving on to the limbs and head. Roll 4 small, tapered cylinders for the arms and 2 slightly thicker ones for the legs. Attach them to the torso, ensuring they are firmly secured. For the head, form a round ball and attach it to the top of the torso, blending the neck area smoothly. Now, carefully add Ganesha's iconic trunk, large ears, and a small Modex suite in one of his hands. For the final touches, use your tools and a bit of water to refine all the features, smoothing out any rough edges or imperfections. You can also add decorative elements like a small crown, jewelry, or even a mouse near his feet. Once you are happy with your creation, place the Ganesha idol in a cool, shaded area to dry slowly and evenly. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent cracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.